Adventurous. Meaning: adventurous describes a person or action that involves a willingness to take risks, seek new experiences, or embrace excitement. Definition: adventurous is an adjective that refers to a person who loves exploring, or an activity that is daring, bold, or filled with adventure. Examples in sentences. 1. Sarah is an adventurous traveler who loves exploring uncharted destinations. Here, adventurous highlights Sarah's love for risky and exciting travel. 2. The team planned an adventurous journey through the dense forests of Africa. In this sentence, adventurous describes a bold and thrilling expedition. Usage: adventurous is commonly used to describe people who enjoy risks, challenges, or trying new things. It also applies to daring actions or exciting experiences.
English practice.